Guys, I'm going to make another quick video for you real quick. This video, I'm going to show you how to use the browser dialer feature. So this feature is pretty handy if you want to contact your leads one by one and have live conversations with them. So we're just going to jump right in and show you how to do it. So you're just going to go to any of your lists. I'm going to go to this tier 5 or this text and bulk affiliate leads list. These are guys I'm drawing in from Facebook. These guys are opting into my Facebook ad, and as soon as they opt into my Facebook ad, they're being added to this list already. So I want to contact them. I can see that most of them I haven't had a conversation with. I haven't talked to them at all. So I'm just going to select all of them. I'm going to queue them all up. I'm going to click this browser dialer, and I'm going to give a disposition time. Now you'll see during this process what this disposition time is for. This disposition time allows me time to go in and leave some notes, do some follow-ups, maybe jump to the bathroom in between calls if I want to. So I'm going to pick that. I'm going to give that disposition time, and then I'm going to pick the phone number I want to call these guys from, and then I'm just going to hit go. The process. Now you can see that it's calling the first guy on my list.
Enjoy this Verizon ringback tone while your party is reached.
Joshua. So Josh isn't picking up, so let's hang up on him and let's move to the next call. So now you can see I've got 27 seconds. What I'm going to go in and do is leave a note. So I called him, got no answer. So you can see I just left this custom note down here just to let me know that I did call this guy at this time and date, but I didn't get any answer at all. So now I've got 6 seconds left. That gave me enough time to leave my little disposition, to leave a note about this guy. And now my next guy, Matthew Vickers, is going to be queued up, and I'm going to start dialing him. So you can see I'm calling Matthew Vickers. The good thing about this is you can see the entire chat history that you've had with these guys. So I can see I've sent them 2 text messages and 2 emails. So it doesn't look like Matthew's picking up his phone either. So I'm going to hang up on him and then also leave a note. Called, no answer. Now I can go back and look at this previous guy here as well. Go back to Joshua and see here's that phone call popped in right here in place before the note, because I started it before the actual note. My next call is going to happen in just a few seconds. So here comes my next call. Should be for this Eric guy right here. And here's Eric.
The number you dialed is not a working number. Please check the number.
That's not a working number. So now I got 18 seconds before my next call. So you can see what this browser dialer feature is, right? That's pretty straightforward. All you do, you just go in, you queue up your leads, you hit that browser dialer button that isn't there anymore because you're on a browser dialer right now. So what you could do right now is, in place of that, there's this hang up button where you can hang up all the rest of the calls that you have queued up. So now we're going to call Mike Radcliffe.
You have reached the voicemail box.
So now I got my same disposition time. I'll leave a note about this guy. So now I got 6 seconds. Is going to connect me with my next guy. So my next guy should be this Dan Patterson guy. So you can see what this browser dialer for is and how this feature is useful if you want to go through your lead list and have live sales calls with each and every person on your lead list and just queue them up one at a time. Just sit back, let the software do the work, do all the dialing for you, communicate, connect with everybody for you. And this is the right person. It's that person right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and hang up on them. I didn't want to speak to this person. So now you can see how useful this feature is. So we're going to call one more person, and then I'll just show you how to exit this process. So let's just wait for this next call to connect. I was hoping at least one person would connect on the demo so we could talk to them. This is Dan Patterson. You can see I already had a chat with him. That we've developed. So how this developed spare time is messages. You can send them out one at a time, or you can send them out in bulk.
Hello?
You can send. Yeah, hey Dan, how you doing?
Good. How you doing?
I'm doing great. This is John. Remember me?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, actually, I was really just following up with you, Ben, because I was making a demo video that people asked me for to show them how to use one of the features in our platform, which is the browser dialer. So I'm just going through a list and calling a couple people. So, anyways, man, did you put any thought into being an affiliate, and you want to get started with that or not?
Well, I wanted. I still had some questions. We didn't get to finish our conversation. You were supposed to call me back in a half hour.
Oh, and I probably never did that because so many people call me. So you got some time? You want to finish that up right now?
I'm actually. I was just about to run out, and my phone is about to die. So, will we be able to finish up probably tomorrow morning?
What's a good time tomorrow?
Let's call it 9 o'clock.
Yep, I'll schedule something right now, so you'll just get a call from me tomorrow on the 1st at 9 a.m. your time. And then when you just get the call, just press 1, and it will. If you can still have the call, press 1, and it will connect us. If you need to reschedule, just press 2, and you'll be able to reschedule it.
Excellent. Cool.
All right, man. You have a good one.
All right. All right. Thank you. You too.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So now you can see the dialer, how it's working, connected with that guy. He asked for a call back tomorrow, so you can see how easily I just went ahead and scheduled that call back for tomorrow. So tomorrow will automatically be connected at 9 o'clock. If he still wants to talk tomorrow, then we can have that conversation. If he needs to reschedule, then he can reschedule. So that's how the browser dialer works. We're gonna wait just 1 second. We should be queuing up this next guy right here. This Michael Mix should be getting queued up here just in 1 second. There you go. You can see now Michael Mix is getting dialed right now. So now we're dialing Michael Mix.
I'm sorry, the person you were trying.
Okay, so we're done. So let's say we're at Michael Mix. We don't want to have these last 3 calls here. You just hit this button, hang up all browser dialer. Now it's done. Now we're not going to be having that browser dialer anymore because everybody's hung up. So now we're done with that browser dialer. You can see how that feature works. So that's the end of this video.